Okay, now we see the question paper 2021. Okay, in the 5 marks, question, question number 5. Okay, this is the question number 5 marks question. From the following balance sheet of Shiva Board Ranga Limited. Shiva Board Ranga Limited as on 31st March 2019 and 2020. Here 2 years are there, 2019, 2020. Prepare schedule changes in the working capital. If they ask to prepare schedule changes in the working capital, what you have to do? You have to consider current assets and current liabilities. You consider the current assets and current liabilities and thereafter prepare the statement. Okay. You see here, first is shareholders fund. It is not a current liability. Okay. Second is the current liability there. Directly current liability is given. In the current liability, trade payable. Second is other liability. These are the two items. On the basis of these two items, you have to consider. If these two items, as per note, you take the item. As per note, you have to take the item. In the assets, non-current asset is there, then current asset. In the current asset, first is current investment, second is inventory, third is trade receivable, fourth is cash and cash equivalent. You take these four assets, these liabilities, and see the changes and prepare the statement. Okay, 5 marks question. So in the statement of changes in working capital, you have to check the note. You see here, trade payable. In the trade payable, this is the trade payable, sundry creditor, 2,50,000, then 2,20,000. So previous year 2,50,000, this is 2,20,000. So current year decreases. Decreases 2,50,000 minus 2,20,000, 30,000. This 30,000 you have to record in the decrease column. This goes to decrease column. Okay, decrease 30,000. Okay, decrease column 30,000. Next is bills payable. 1 lakh is the bills payable, 1,70,000. So bills payable increased. Bills payable increase means you have to write in the decrease column. In decrease in current creditor, record in the increase column. 30,000 goes to increase column. Bills payable is decrease is there. Increase is there. Increase goes to decrease column. Okay. Here you see here. This is the current bills payable 70,000 increase goes to, let us consider you make here 2 columns or you make 4 columns as per your solution. As per whatever I have given in the problem, as per that you have to take the problem items. Otherwise you take current assets first. You see here. This is the tangible asset, is the fixed asset. Then here is the current investment. Okay. Current investment, you see the amount. What is amount? 7 lakh, 5 lakh. So increase is there. In the increase is there, what is increase? 2 lakh rupee increase. Okay. You write in the increase column. Clear? 2 lakh rupee increase. Next is stock. 4 lakh 30, 6 lakh. So here also there is a increase. Increase is difference. Difference is 1,70,000. 1,70,000 is the increase. Okay. Come to the debtors. Regarding debtors, you see the debtors. 3 lakh, 2 lakh. Decrease is there, you have to write in the decrease column. Fourth column, you write the amount. What is the decrease? 1 lakh rupee. 1 lakh rupee decrease. Bills receivable, 2 lakh, 2 lakh 50,000. Increase is there in the increase column. In the increase column, you write 50,000. Okay. So first column is increase. First, previous year. This is the first column. This is the second column. Okay. This is third column, increase. Fourth column, decrease. Like this, you make 4 columns and enter the amount. Assets, investment, short term, stock, debtors, bills receivable. Clear? Thereafter, next items. What is next item? Cash and cash equivalent. You see here, cash in hand. Cash in hand amount is 1 lakh, 2 lakh. So there is a increase. Increase is difference. That is 1 lakh increase is there. Write increase column. Bank. Bank is 70,000, 1 lakh 70,000. 1 lakh increase is here. Here is also 1 lakh increase. You write in the increase column 1 lakh. Clear? Like this, increase column you have to write. Increase there, increase column. Okay, next column is decrease column. First column, previous year. Second column, current year. Third, fourth. Third, increase, decrease. Like this, you make the columns, write the entry. Clear? Asset completed. Then you write the liabilities. What are the liabilities? You see here. These are the liabilities. First is sundry creditor. Sundry creditor amount. Sundry creditor amount, you see here. 2,50,000, 2,20,000. Decrease is there. So you have to write the decrease in the increase column. Increase column, 30,000. 30,000 is you write in the increase column. And bills payable, 1 lakh, 1,70,000. Bills payable increased. So this you have to write in the decrease column, next column. 70,000 is the decrease. Sorry, increase. Increase goes to decrease column, liability. Then outstanding expense. First column 0, second column 1 lakh. 1 lakh increase is there. 1 lakh increase goes to decrease column. 1 lakh decrease column. First column 0, second column 1 lakh. So difference is 1 lakh. 1 lakh increase is there. 0 to 1 lakh. 1 lakh. Remember it. But 1 lakh difference is ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 ತಿಳ್ಕೋರಿ. ಇದು 1 ಲಕ್ಷ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಲಕ್ಷ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗೈತಿ. ಹೆಚ್ಚಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ಈ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು 4 ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ. ತೀತಾ ಯಾವುದು? ಇದೊಂದು ಕಾಲಮ, ಇದೊಂದು ಕಾಲಮ, ಇದು ಒಂದು, ಇದು ಒಂದು. ಹೌದಾ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅದು? ಅಸೆಟ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕಾಲಮ, ಪ್ರಿವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್, ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್, ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ರಿ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. ತೀತಾ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ. This is the 5 marks question. Okay. Now we see the 15 marks question. You see the 15 marks question, section C. Section C, so question number 7. Then question number 8, income statement is there. Question number 9, you see here, fund flow statement. You see the problem, prepare fund flow statement, Mortgage Limited. Okay, Mortgage Limited. So you see this one, share capital, equity share capital. Share capital 3 lakh, 4 lakh. Last year, 2019, 3 lakh, 2020, 4 lakh. So there is an increase of 1 lakh capital. 1 lakh capital increases because of issue of shares. ನೀವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಶೇರ್ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೇನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ? ಶೇರ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾದಂದ್ರ ರೊಕ್ಕ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೇನು? ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಂಡ್, ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್. ಹಿಂಗ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ? ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಇನ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸರ್ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ? ನಾವು ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. Long term borrowing 1 ಲಕ್ಷ ಇದ್ದು 1,50,000 ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪೈಲ 1 ಲಕ್ಷ ಸಾಲ ಇತ್ತು, ಈ 1,50,000 ಸಾಲ ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರ ಮತ್ ಸಾಲ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ರೊಕ್ಕ ಬಂದಿರ್ತತಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಂಡ್. ಶೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ 1 ಲಕ್ಷ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಸೋರ್ಸ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡನೇದು ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬಾರೋಯಿಂಗ್ 50,000 ಸೋರ್ಸ. ಈ ರೀತಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಐತಿ. ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಎರಡು ಐಟಮ್ ಇದಾವು. These current liability goes to changes in working capital. Changes in working capital. Okay. Next is non-current asset. Tangible asset 3,50,000, 5,22,500. So there is a difference. Okay. Then what is the difference? Increase is there. Whether the increase is due to purchase of asset or any other reason, that is to be ascertained only with the help of this schedule. ನೀವು ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಆ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ದಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಆಯ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲತ್ತು ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಸೆಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಟು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇನ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್. ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಟು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇನ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಈಗ ನೋಟ್ಸ್. ನಾವು ಯು ಸಿ ದಿ ನೋಟ್ಸ್. You see the notes. In the notes, first note is share capital. Share capital 3 lakh, 4 lakh. 1 lakh increase is there. 1 lakh increase in the share capital is due to issue of share capital. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು. ಶೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಯ್ತು? ಶೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶೇರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಶೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಡಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಶೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್. ಈ ರೀತಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 1 ಲಕ್ಷ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಏನಿದು ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಂಡ್. ಇದನ್ನು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನಪು. ಇದು 1 ಲಕ್ಷ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದು ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಂಡ್. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನಪು. ಇದು ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಂಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನು ಎರಡನೇದು ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸರ್ಪ್ಲಸ್. P&L account balance is here. This goes to funds from operation, opening and closing. First you have to take the closing balance. Lastly you take the closing balance. Preliminary expense. You see the preliminary expense. Preliminary expense 3,500 is opening, 3,000 is the closing. You ನೋಡಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, 3,500 ಇತ್ತು ಮೊದಲ, 3,000 ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಿಲಿಮಿನರಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ 500 ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗೈತಿ. ಪ್ರಿಲಿಮಿನರಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ 500 ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗೈತಿ. 500 ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಲಿಮಿನರಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಫ್. ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇವೆರಡದ್ದು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗೈತಿ. ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಫಂಡ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್. ಫಂಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಇದು ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್, ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್, ಫಂಡ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 500 ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆದದ್ದು ಪ್ರಿಲಿಮಿನರಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಜಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬಾರೋಯಿಂಗ್. 8% ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ 1 lakh, 1,50,000. 8% ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ 1 lakh, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1,50,000 ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗೈತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ಮಾರಿರ್ತೀರಿ. So it is issue of debenture. Issue of debenture. So it is a source. Then come to the trade payable. Trade payable goes to changes in working capital. Short-term provision goes to changes in working capital tool. Yavada creditor provision for taxation ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಹೌದಾ? Tangible asset. Tangible asset, fixed asset. Land and building. You see here 1 lakh, 50, 2 lakh. 50,000 increase is there. What is the reason for this 50,000 increase? 50,000 increase agit. Increase agit andra kharidi ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Whenever you purchase it, there is an increase. If there is adjustment, you go through the adjustment. Adjustment idre adjustment prakar ಮಾಡಿ. If there is no adjustment, then you see here 1,50,000 land and building. Next is 2 lakh. 50,000 increase. 50,000 increase is the purchase of asset. Purchase of asset. Like this, you have to take decision. Okay. Next is plant and machinery. Plant and machinery 2 lakh. Next is 3,22,500. This is also increase. So this is also called as purchase. Okay. On this assumption you have to make. Then inventory. Inventory is the stock. Stock goes to changes in working capital. Trade receivable goes to changes in working capital. So 31,500, 29,500 debtors goes to current asset. Okay. Then less provision is there, you take as a current liability. Provision you take as a current liability. This item you take in the current liability and Next is bank goes to changes in working capital. Here it is current asset, current liability, first statement. You take in the first statement schedule of changes in working capital. Okay, you see here. During the year, plant costing rupees 3,500, sold for 3,000. This is the adjustment. Okay, if the adjustment is like this, you have to prepare the account. Sure, name to. In morning, adjustment is the account hakbeku. Yav account hakbeku? Plant account. You take the opening balance of plant, take the closing balance of plant, then sale of plant. 3,000 is the sale. Okay. By sale means by bank. You write by bank, and 3,500 cost sold for 3,000. Now here there is a loss of 500. So 500 you record in the account. Thereafter find the purchase of asset, purchase of plant. Illi ನೀವು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Plant account ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, opening balance, closing balance ಬರ್ರಿ, sale ಬರ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 500 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗೈತಿ, ಆ ಲಾಸ್ ಬರ್ರಿ. ಆ ನಂತರ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಟೀಟ ಎಷ್ಟು ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಟೀಟ ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್ ಒಂದೇ ಐತಿ, ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಡ್ರಿ. So this is a non-operating expense. You have to record this amount in the funds from operation and also in the application. Remember this. Okay. Now you see the solution. You see the solution. First is changes in working capital. 2021 question paper. Okay. This is the first you take the current asset. In the current asset, stock is there. First column stock is 1,50,000. Second column 1,75,000. So there is an increase of 25,000. You see that. First to second, 25,000 increase, you write in the increase column. Increase column you write. Okay. Second current asset is debtor. First column 31,500, second column 29,500. Therefore, you see here, first year to second year, there is a decrease. Decrease you record in the decrease column. You record in the decrease column. I recorded their amount, and that is 2,000 decrease. Clear? Then third is cash at bank. 10,000 first column, second column 20,000. So there is an increase. Increase is 10,000. Increase column you write. Okay. Like this, you write all the current assets. Current assets. Okay. After completing all current assets, you take the first column total. That is 1,91,500. Second column total 2,24,500. Like this, you take the total. Thereafter, you write the current liabilities. Sorry. You write the current liabilities. You write current liabilities. The current liabilities are creditor first. First column 57,000 is there. Second column 45,000 is there. Okay. Then you see here creditor decreased. Creditor amount decreased. You see very carefully, decrease, but you have to write the decrease amount in the increase column, not in the decrease column. Current asset increase goes to increase column, decrease goes to decrease column, but current liability increase goes to decrease column, decrease goes to increase column. Okay, difference. Then next is provision for taxation. Provision for taxation 22,000 is there. First column, second column 28,500 is there. So increase is there. Increase in the provision for taxation goes to decrease column. Decrease column. This is the point you remember. Clear? And the provision for taxation is recorded here as a current liability. And this item will not come in any next steps. In next items, this will not be entered. Remember this. Once you record it here, don't write any other accounts. Don't write in any other accounts. Clear? Now you take the total, doubtful debt, provision for doubtful debt. The asset side is there. It is deducted in the debtors. Provision for doubtful debt you take under the current liability. First column 3000, second column 1500. So it is decrease. Decrease is there, you record in the increase column, 1500 increase column. Okay. Opposite the liability. Asset matra ಹೆಚ್ಚಾದ್ರೆ increase ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆದ್ರೆ decrease. Liability ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾದ್ರೆ decrease ಆಗ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆದ್ರೆ increase ಆಗ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. Then you take the current liability total. First column total 82,500. Second column total 75,000. ಈ ರೀತಿ total ಮಾಡಿ. Next is working capital. Working capital A minus B. Madri. First column is 1,09,000. Second column is 1,49,500. If you see these two items, this is working capital. Previous year 1,09,000 working capital, current year 1,49,500. So it directly confirms that there is an increase in working capital. Working capital ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿತ್ತು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತೈತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಇನ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಬರೆದ ಬಿಡು. ठीक है, you total ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, you take the total of remaining columns also. 8,500, 49,000 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಯಾವ ಬೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೋದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೂ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನೋಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮೊದಲೇದ 1,09,000 ಇತ್ತು, ಎರಡನೇ 1,49,000 ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗೈತಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಬರೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಇನ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಬರೋದು. ಇದು ಒಂದನೇ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಕಿಂತ ಎರಡನೇ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಇನ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಇಸ್ 40,500. 40,500 ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ 40,500, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. And in these two columns also where there is a decrease, you write there. First column dash, second column 40,500. Clear? You take the total last column 1,49,500, 1,49,500. You have to do column same total out. Then here 49,000, 49,000. You have to do column same total out. So this is the first statement, changes in working capital. In this way you prepare the changes in working capital. Okay. Now you have to prepare the required account. Machinery account you have to prepare here because there is a sale of machinery is given in the problem. Okay, you prepare the machinery account. To balance brought down, opening balance 2 lakh is there. Buy balance carried down 3,22,500. 3,22,500 is the balance carried down. Means last year balance, current year balance. Now you write this sale. Sale means buy bank. Buy bank is 3,000. You sold for 3,000 machinery. And there is a loss of 500. So you write buy loss on sale 500. Like this you write. Then close the account. You take the total 3,26,000. 3,26,000 is the total. So difference is 1,26,000. This 1,26,000 is called as purchase. This is called as purchase. Okay, purchase. So buy bank is the sale, to bank is the purchase. So purchase is called as application. Sale is called as source. These two items you have to take in the source and application. Clear? You remember this. To bank, purchase of asset, buy bank, sale of asset. So purchase is the application, sale is the source. Clear? Now you see the statement showing funds from operation. Funds from operation statement you have to prepare. Particular amount. You ನಡುಗಿರಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳಿರಿ ನೀವು, ನಾ ಮೊದಲು ಬಿಲ್ ಅಂತ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Particular column, amount column. First, you take the closing balance of net profit. Closing balance of net profit means current year profit. 1,25,000 is there. P&L account balance. Current year balance you take. Add non-operating and non-cash expenses. Okay. Here you have to take all non-cash and non-operating. First is loss on sale of asset. Sorry, preliminary expense written off. Already I told you. Preliminary expense 3,500 to 3,000 is there. 500 decrease is there. That is called as preliminary expense written off. Then next item is loss on sale of machinery. Loss on sale of machinery, you see this account. In the machinery account, loss on sale is there. This is non-operating. Then next is dividend. Dividend paid as per adjustment. This is non-operating. These are the items related with non-operating. You take the total. Total is 26,000. 26,000 rupee you add, and next heading is less non-operating and non-cash incomes. Non-operating income. There is no non-operating incomes, non-cash incomes. Only one thing is there, that is the opening balance of profit. Opening balance of profit means previous year P&L account balance. Previous year P&L account balance is 62,500. You deduct 62,500, 88,500 is the balance. 88,500 is called as funds from operation. Funds from operation. Okay. This is the funds from operation. Like this, you have to prepare the funds from operation statement. Then thereafter, you prepare fund flow statement. Fund flow statement. Okay. Fund flow statement, sources, amount, application, amount. First item, you write funds from operation. Fund from operation, you take the answer from your table. Fund from operation is 88,500. You calculate it. Thereafter, you write the sources and application. In the balance sheet, share capital increased, that is the source. Loan increased, that is the source. Source side, right? Capital ಮತ್ತು ಲೋನ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಹೆಚ್ಚಾದ್ರ ಲೋನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿದ್ರ ಸೋರ್ಸ್. ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಮತ್ತು ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿದ್ರ ಸೋರ್ಸ್. ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆದ್ರ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್. ಅಸೆಟ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾದ್ರ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್. ಅಸೆಟ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆದ್ರೆ ಸೋರ್ಸ್. ಸರಿ ನೆನಪಿಗಳು. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ತೆಳಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ಬರ್ದಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಫಂಡ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್. ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ 50,000 ಐ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಟೇಕನ್. 50,000 ಎಲ್ಲೇ ತನಿಖೆ ಇದ್ರ 1,50,000 ಇದ್ದದ್ದು 2 ಲಕ್ಷ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ 50,000 ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್. ಸೇಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಷಿನರಿ. Machinery sold is 3,000. Maridir 3,000. Then machinery purchase you take. Machinery purchase you calculated in the account. 1,26,000 you calculate ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ ನೋಡಿ. Purchase is application, sale is source. Okay. ಇದನ್ನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 1,50,000 ಇತ್ತು, 2 ಲಕ್ಷ ಆಗೈತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 50,000 ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗೈತಿ. ಹೆಚ್ಚಾವಾಗ ಆಗ್ತತಿ, ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗ್ತತಿ. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಜಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ದೇರ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಡಿವೆಂಚರ್ 50,000 ಡಿವೆಂಚರ್ 50,000 ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಅದು ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಡಿವೆಂಚರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದೆನ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಇಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ 1 lakh ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗೈತಿ. ಇಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಈ ರೀತಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಈ ರೀತಿ ನೋಡಿ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ. ದೆನ್ ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್ ಪೇಡ್ ತಗೋರಿ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್. Total you take 2,41,500. 2,41,500 is the fund flow statement total. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳ್ರಿ. Increase in capital and liability. Liability increase in capital and liabilities is source. It is source. Clear. Source side liability ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ನೀವು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ. ಶೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿಗಳು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೋರ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ನು ಎರಡನೇದು ಯಾವ್ದು ತಗೋತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ. ಸೋರ್ಸ್. ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ decrease in capital and liability. Liability decrease ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಥವಾ capital decrease ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ application ಥೀಟಾ ಇನ್ಸರಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ ಶೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ನಾನ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಕಳಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ increase in asset, increase in fixed asset, increase in fixed asset, application, okay, application, decrease in fixed asset, source. ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ ಆಗಟ್ಟ ಮತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದಂತ ಹಿಂಗ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದ್ರಾಗ ಏನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹಂಗ ತಗೋರಿ, ಈ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ತಗೋರಿ. ಆ ನಂತರ ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್ ಪೇಯ್ಡ, ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಪೇಯ್ಡ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೋರಿ. ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅವ್ರದಂದ್ರ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್, ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ತಾವ. ठीक है इष्ट ಐಟಮ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರೆ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಆಗ್ತತಿ. ಆ ನಂತರ ಇಷ್ಟ ಹಾಕಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರ ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇನ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತತಿ. ठीक है ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇನ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನ. your change in working capital is 40,500. 40,500 difference ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. so increase in working capital is 40,500, difference 40,500. if you record this, the source must be equal to application. Okay, increase in working capital record on the application side. If there is decrease in working capital, you write in the source side. Like this you complete the problem. Okay, this is enough for today.